Hello. So here we are going to start with the next program. You can see the question is write a program to accept three numbers and check whether the first is between the other two numbers or not. So for example, the input is given as 20, 10, and 30. The output should be like 20 is between or lies between 10 and 30. Okay. So here we are going to apply one type of logic here, that is how could we apply the logic. So 20, suppose we are going to saved in a variable, 10 will be in b, and c 30 will be saved in c. So if I'll compare, क्योंकि first number is lies between second and third or not, so first means a will be compared with b and a will compare with c, means 20 will be compared with 10 and 30. If I will compare 20 with 10, then it should be greater. What it should be? That is greater. Okay. So greater than symbol we are going to put here, and if I will compare this a with c, then it should be less. Okay. So remember that we are not going to compare three operands. Operands means a, b, and c, that is variable. We are not going to compare three operands at a time, so we are going to segregate these three by a greater than b and a less than that is c. Okay. Why? Because two operands you can compare at a time, and if you want to see कि both the conditions should be true, then logical operator means double ampersand symbol you have to use. Either you can use double ampersand symbol or double or symbol. Okay. So let's start with the program. Here I am going to start with the program. Hash include std io.h. Okay, that is header file. We are going to include void main. Void main is nothing but the function. Do not give semicolon at the end of main function, as three variables we require, so they will be of integer data type a comma b comma c semicolon. Now three numbers we are going to accept from the user, that's why we are going to start with printf statement. Here I am going to write enter three numbers. Okay, then double quote complete bracket complete semicolon, then here it is scanf in double quote percent d percent d percent d. Why? Because three variables we are going to take, and percent d is nothing but conversion characters, so that's why we are using percent d. And why percent d? Because integer, percent d is indicated for integer, that's why. Then here we are going to write ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c. Always remember, in scanf statement you have to give ampersand symbol, but not in printf statement. Why we are using ampersand symbol? To save the value to that particular location. If you forgot to give ampersand symbol in scanf statement for integer data type variables, then it will not save the value, and might be you will get garbage value as an output. That's why please remember. Then we are going to start with if control structure, because we are going to compare two things together. So a should be greater than b, and as we performed the logic earlier, and a should be less than c. If this condition, both the condition will be true, then we can say that this 20 or first number is lies between rest of the two. So here I am going to write, that is printf statement in double quote. We are writing the in the different method. We are going to write percent d is lies between percent d and percent d double quote complete comma a comma b comma c. So you can see in printf statement I haven't used ampersand symbol, because we are going to use ampersand symbol in scanf statement. Again I'm repeating the same things to remember yourself. Then here else, if the condition will be wrong, then we are going with else statement. Again in this we are going to write printf statement in double quote, that is percent d is not lies between percent d and percent d. 30. So again here, one is for lies between, second is for not lies between. So again same thing we are going to repeat here. Then we'll give semicolon. Here we are going to close else curly bracket. Then we are going to use get ch. Why we are using get ch? Because to pause the output screen. Then main function close, and here after variable declaration we are going to write clr scr bracket complete semicolon. Okay, so here we are going to save the file. Then by using alt F9, alt function 9, we are going to compile. You can see 0 error 0 warning, and control F9, we can get an output screen. So here I am giving 20, 10 and 30. So you can see 20 is lies between 10 and 30. So answer is 20 is lies between 10 and 30. If I we will go with the another output. So here again I'm going to run the program by using control F9. Here I'm giving 10, 20 and third number is 30. So you can see 10 is not lies between 20 and 30. So the answer is 10 is not lies between 20 and 30. I hope you are getting the same. So kindly if you are having any kind of queries, then kindly write in the comment box. Like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.